beautiful festival, in this beautiful stage. It's a big honor for us. So our performance is tomorrow. We didn't know that we will come to the stage. That's why sorry for our clothes. Tomorrow we'll wear very beautiful clothes and we'll perform for you our favorite and your favorite Bollywood songs. And especially we prepared also some Karbi songs. So dear ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy together our performance for you. Yeah, we are so happy. Thanks for the cards, for your hospitality, for everyone. We love Karbi traditions, Karbi people, and Karbi food. So tasty. Thank you very much. We're so enjoy today. Our song for you, please. Thank you very much. One more call for you. Please welcome. Go again. Hey, yeah, Korea. Let's say, yeah, Korea.
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे गाड़ी आएगी तेरा सजना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, ओह ओह
चेहरा छुपा के रखना, चेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना, दिल की बातों में दिल की बातें रखना, चेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना,
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना। उड़ उड़ के तेरी जुल्फें करती हैं क्या इशारे, दिल थाम के खड़े आशीष भी गवारे।
चुप जाए सारी दुनिया, दिल में शुरू तुम्हारे, गई है पागल शहर की सारी।
नजरें झुका के रखना, दामन बचा के रखना, नजरें झुका के रखना, दामन बचा के रखना, लेने तुझे घड़ी आएंगी तेरी सजना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेरी ज़ोहर चली तुझे मालूम नहीं, तो अभी तक हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान, मेरी जान। मेरी ज़ोहर चली तुझे मालूम नहीं, तो अभी तक हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान, मेरी जान। ये बाकपन जो कुछ में है कहीं नहीं, ये सोनिया ये बाकपन जो कुछ में है कहीं नहीं, दिलों को जीतना कपन जो कुछ में है कहीं नहीं। मैं तेरी आँखों में पा गया दो जहां, मैं तेरी आँखों में पा गया दो जहां, मेरे ज़ोहर जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तो अभी तक हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान, मेरी जान। मेरे ज़ोहर जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तो अभी तक हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान, मेरी जान।
Tomorrow we'll wait, okay? Tomorrow our performance. Please come to our performance. Thank you very much.
Okay. Brothers and sisters of Karbi, Kardon, thanks very much for the attention. So honored to be on this stage. And my name is Salat. I'm one of the members of the Havas. And at the end of our performance, by the way, this is not the end. This was just to let you know that what will happen tomorrow evening. And we really hope that tomorrow all the people we see here will come to continue and to end the festival. And using such a great chance here on the stage I would like to express our appreciation to the dear executive member in charge of the tourism department of the Karbi Anglong, to the Mr. Engi. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, sir. I already learned to say Chorolo, and a great bow to you for providing us such a great opportunity to travel from Uzbekistan to this brilliant corner of India to Karbi Anglong and perform, to stand on this stage and make the people happy. So we are so honored to be here, and thank you very much. And in our local Uzbek language, it's Rahmat. Rahmat to you, sir.
So now I would like to request Sunil Tobi, General Secretary, to kindly present a memento to our lovely guests. So ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Havas Guruhi band, for performing this beautiful Karbi song and all the songs you have sang. We really love and appreciate your presence here.
One group photo, please. One second. Okay, ready? Wait, What's up?